Bananas are one of the most popular fruits worldwide, known for their convenience, taste, and nutritional benefits. Eating one banana a day for 7 days can have a variety of positive effects on your body, supported by scientific evidence. Here's a closer look at what happens when you incorporate this fruit into your daily diet. Nutritional profile of bananas: a medium-sized banana contains approximately 105 calories, primarily from carbohydrates, along with 3 grams of protein and 0.3 grams of fat. It is also rich in essential nutrients, providing about 300–400 milligrams of potassium, 10% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C, and 3 grams of dietary fiber. This unique combination of nutrients contributes to several health benefits. Heart health and blood pressure regulation: one of the most significant benefits of eating bananas is their high potassium content. Potassium is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supporting heart health. Studies have shown that diets rich in potassium can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. By consuming a banana daily, you can contribute to your daily potassium intake, which is vital for heart function and overall cardiovascular health. Digestive health improvement: bananas are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which plays a key role in digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements and can prevent constipation. Eating one banana a day can help maintain a healthy digestive system by promoting regularity and supporting gut health. The soluble fiber in bananas, particularly pectin, can also aid in the absorption of nutrients and improve overall gut flora. Mood enhancement and mental health: bananas are often referred to as a happy fruit due to their ability to boost mood. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and anxiety. Consuming a banana daily may help improve your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. This effect is particularly beneficial for individuals looking for natural ways to enhance their mental well-being. Energy boost: for those leading an active lifestyle, bananas serve as an excellent source of quick energy. With their high carbohydrate content, they provide a rapid energy boost, making them a popular choice among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Eating a banana before or after a workout can help replenish glycogen stores and provide the necessary fuel for physical activity. Weight management: incorporating a banana into your daily diet can also assist with weight management. The fiber content in bananas helps you feel full longer, which can reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, bananas are low in calories and fat, making them a healthy snack option that can satisfy sweet cravings without the guilt. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Antioxidant properties: bananas are rich in antioxidants, including dopamine and catechins, which can help combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of antioxidant-rich foods like bananas can contribute to overall health and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. Conclusion: eating one banana a day for 7 days can lead to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, better digestion, enhanced mood, increased energy levels, and support for weight management. While bananas are a nutritious addition to your diet, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables to ensure you receive all the necessary nutrients your body needs. Overall, bananas are a delicious and convenient way to boost your health and well-being.